A grand function was organized in Chakisar Public School regarding the 26th Annual Day Carnival and prize distribution, in which the students and their parents along with local residents participated in large number. The event began with the recitation of few verses from the Holy Quran, followed by the national anthem.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
मैं पनाह मांगता हूँ अल्लाह की मदद से शैतान मरदूद से। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है।
In the ceremony, students presented wonderful national songs, naat, skits and speeches which the audience enjoyed a lot.
But of the whole world.
पब्लिक स्कूल का सलाम कहूँ हमको जान से प्यारा है प्यारा है प्यारा है।
Founder of Welfare Trust, Mr. Latif Ullah Yousafzai was the chief guest. Principal Chakisar Public School and College, Mr. Didarul Haq, teachers and students warmly welcomed the chief guest and all the dignitaries.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good and warm welcome to all.
Addressing the ceremony, Mr. Latif Ullah Yousafzai congratulated the students who participated in the program and assured to provide financial assistance to the poor and orphan children. Talking to the media, Principal Chakisar Public School and College, Mr. Didarul Haq said, Chakisar Public School where students are not only imparted knowledge, but they are also given the opportunity to take part in co-curricular activities.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear Fawad, I am very happy that you have cooperated with us in this activity. Annual Day Carnival. We always celebrate our program yearly, and we give opportunity to the students to participate in our co-curricular activities.
Students of Chakisar Public School and College also expressed their gratitude to the principal and teacher for organizing this prestigious event.
I would like to thank and congratulate our teachers for organizing such a nice and wonderful.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Yamna Ishar. I study in class 8. Ignore the importance of education, but the process of raising awareness among students should be accelerated through co-curricular activities, which involve both physical and psychological aspects of human lives.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tahmeena Khan. I am student of class 8. According to research, students who participate in co-curricular activities score higher than other students.
Addressing the event, Data Surveillance Assistant TV Control Program District Shangla and Founder President Speak Debating Society Mr. Suhail Ahmad also described co-curricular activities as an important part of education.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sonam Rahman. I am student of class 8. Co-curricular activities are the process that enhance the learning abilities of the student. You need to play a prominent role in co-curricular activities as well.
My name is Ali Shaniaz. I study in class 9. Co-curricular activities in school for the development of healthy and conducive learning environment. Co-curricular activities naturally create harmony, brotherhood and patriotism among young minds.
Assistant Commissioner Mr. Muhammad Hamid Sadir also participated in the program and congratulated the school administration and appreciated the performance of the students. On this prestigious occasion, shield and cash prizes were also distributed among the students who participated in the program, including the student who showed outstanding performance in the school annual examination. At the end of function, Chief Guest Mr. Latif Ullah Yousafzai also inaugurated computer lab at Chakisar Public School and College.